boys, the long-awaited carburetor update or upgrade is finally here, and we're gonna do that top speed test. So before you ask like so many questions in the comments about everything, I literally spent like forever, and I linked like so much stuff in the description of like just like a bunch of random stuff I have. So please check the description before you ask any questions. I have so much stuff linked down there. I'm gonna link this carburetor. Comes with an air filter and your little seal and stuff. I'll link it down below. $35 for this thing. I am running the Uni air filter, but there's one that comes with it that's really good, and it's a knockoff Mikuni carb. I think it's the knockoff of the VM22. It's a lot smaller. I have a video out there comparing it to the actual VM22 because I was gonna put that on here, but it didn't fit. So hopefully none of my neighbors are gonna get mad, you know. But we got a speed app here. It's probably gonna be really hard to see. Oh crap. I just turned on my phone on accident. Got a speed app. The app is Speedometer, just in the app store, or it might even be called Speed, and maybe I can link that down below as well, because I know y'all like the links. So fresh air filter, fresh startup, and we'll see how well we can do. Let's see if we can pop a wheelie. Oh, wheelies are so much easier. We got 48 on that. Little engine brake right there. I don't really like engine braking. I'm just gonna pull off to the side for this guy. One thing I'll say is, I don't know if the top speed is increased, but I gotta say, the amount of like torque you're getting and like just the power from like going from a stomp and wheelies is so much better. You know, it's about the same. I gotta say, it's about the same as before. But I mean, bro, like, what I gotta say is just the amount of torque that was added is just a lot better. You can just pop wheelies so easy. In the old one, you had to really rev it out. We're gonna do one more, going up and down. Same thing, 48, 49 up here. So, man, I feel like my engine's gonna literally blow up, but hey, I got a 1-year warranty on this engine, so it's fine. That's why I like these little Taotaos, 1-year warranty on that engine. So, man, that was terrible with wheelies. I really need to practice. We'll do one more on the way down, you know. Okay, if you get a little lean in, you get like an extra 1 to 2 miles per hour. So, I'm gonna let my bike cool off in a bit, because that doesn't really sound that good. So my overall take on this is you don't really gain much of a top speed, but the amount, like just the going, you get more torque. I feel like first gear is so short now. Just the amount of power that you're getting feels so much better. Like the delivery, the power delivery, that's the word I'm looking for. Like you just get up there, you know? Like whenever you pull the throttle, you're just, you know, you start going. Alright guys, I'm gonna take it on some trails that I ride a lot, and I'll tell y'all at the end what I really think. So be right back. You see that, bro? I almost just lost traction there, like really, really bad. I think my back tire is like getting really worn down. Bro, look at all these weeds, how crazy it's getting in here. Oh my goodness, dude. Alright, I'm gonna do the little kind of overall review now. Trying to hit a jump there, that kind of failed. But man, my overall review of this thing, $35, man. First of all, if you got say you just got your bike and, you know, oh dang it, that was down. Say you got your bike and your stock carb is bogging, make sure to, I'm gonna make another video. I already have the footage. I'm gonna make another video on how to really fix if your carburetor's bogging. You know, first of all, non-ethanol gas. Say you're already using the stock carb with non-ethanol gas, you clean your air filter, and it's still bogging, I'll definitely get this. I feel like it's the power, like just from a stop and like getting up to the higher RPMs is so much better. The top speed is pretty much the same. I ain't gonna lie about that. It didn't increase the top speed, but I feel the power delivery, just like going into first gear, is so much better and faster. It seems so much more just responsive, you know? If your carburetor's bogging, or you want a little bit of extra get up and go power, I'd say this thing's great. Because it's just, I don't know how to explain it, guys. You know, it doesn't increase the top speed, but it's better than the original carburetor. Just the go. Like you see that, I'm already in fourth. I kind of quick shifted, but like just to get up to that speed is so much better, you know? And like hitting those trails over there, man, like I think I almost like completely just sideswiped, you know, hitting the turn, and I was like, I think I was like still kind of in the gear, but I was just going faster than normal. I was like, you know, I was going, and even with a little bit of less throttle, you're still, you know, kind of going more, you're getting a little more power going through there. So this is definitely, I don't know really how else to say this, you know, for things like this, but I feel the bike performs way better than it did before. I definitely recommend it. It's $35. You get a good air, you get a good, I definitely recommend it. $35, you get a good two-stage air filter that's a little bit smaller than the Uni, so it won't stick out, and you're getting a good carb. You're gonna get a little more power on the bottom end. You know, you're not getting that top end power, you're getting, you know, the bottom end. You're getting a little more torque. You ain't gonna increase the speed, but you're gonna get some more get up and go. I probably said that a lot, but That's how I feel about it, you know. The Makunis, I really wanted to see if that Makuni would have fit, but the problem was that choke. The real Makuni, the problem is it's a lot wider, and the choke like fits, and it doesn't fit with the frame. You can't fit it on there. Tried another little different thing, and it wouldn't fit. So $35. I'd recommend it, honestly. Just, you know, might as well. You get your bike, even if your normal carburetor is good, throw on this dude. You know, you can at least mess with it and fix it, because you can take off the screws. But man, I recommend this thing. 35 bucks on top of this bike, you got a solid bike right here. 3-month review, I'm gonna bring that up soon. My 3-month review, I've been full sending this thing and I've had like no problems. It's a great little trail bike. So yeah, guys, hopefully that kind of, you know, if you still got a few questions, put them down below. But man, I think it's pretty good, you know. 35 bucks, you can't beat that for a little bit more power. It seems like it's idling a lot more nicely, if I can say that. It just sounds, you know, sounds crisp, sounds clean. Anyway, guys, it's been Bataha, and I hope I'll see y'all soon. Yeah, guys.